Welcome or welcome back to the channel. I'm Artsy and this is our development series where we focus on developments taking place in Montego Bay, Jamaica and across the world. If you're interested in these types of videos, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Now today I visited the St. Irwin leg of the Montego Bay Bypass again, but this time I went a little further onto the site and had a look at the river. I even went a little bit further up on the other side so I can get a look overhead. And while I show you this update, I want to also talk a bit about some of the benefits of this new highway, this new bypass. Appears to be one of the workers coming. I wonder if they'll let me walk on. Right. I don't want to walk around the side here, but I doubt them are gonna make me. You know, so me walk on and make them just run me and done. I'm gonna be innocent. I'm gonna do the front part first, and I'm gonna ask. Now, the first and obvious benefit is traffic relief. Now, one of the primary advantages is the alleviation of traffic congestion within the city center. By diverting through traffic to the bypass, the new highway can reduce the strain on existing roadways, making it easier for local commuters and improving overall traffic flow. So hopefully this will benefit everybody who just want to go to them yard, like myself. Now, first of all, if you are a driver, you know that when there's a traffic congestion, you're stuck in a traffic, burn gas. And if you're a private vehicle, you will undoubtedly see, more than likely, a taxi driver cutting the line of vehicles. And you know that doing that only makes the situation worse. But I also know that secretly you kind of wish you could have done it too. Then you have walk foot like myself, where you know that when there is traffic congestion, you cannot stand up at your bus stop. First of all, you're going to see people who walk past you if you go catch a taxi, and you better walk too. Basically, it's a competition of who can walk further, because your taxi is stuck about 3 miles, 2 miles, 4 miles down the road in traffic, and some of them really don't want to come any further stuck in the traffic and waste them gas, so you better walk and meet them. I'm gonna ask them and I can walk. I want to see how the river section look. Last time I recorded the river. Alright. What are these? Current? Oh, for the current. Oh, okay, current valves. Okay. Alright. Number 2 is reduced travel time. With a more efficient and direct route, the new highway can significantly reduce travel times for both local and long-distance travelers. This can lead to increased productivity and economic efficiency, because when you want to go to work and you're stuck in that traffic, you end up late, you feel tired and flustered, and then also for goods delivery, you're able to deliver your goods on time. All of them look at something there. Number 3, improved safety. Bypass highways often have modern design features, including wider lanes, improved signage, and advanced traffic management systems, which can enhance overall road safety. Separating through traffic from local traffic can reduce the likelihood of accidents and congestion related incidents, because you know, saying that traffic, everybody kind of get miserable and impatient, and sometimes that lead to accidents. Yeah, see, oh, I see the river here. So look. Haha, see, okay, so they haven't touched the river. I don't know if they're going to touch the river, if they're going to retrain it. But yeah, this is what's going on. And I think some work is going on up there, so on top of the hill. Number 4. Economic development. Opening up new lands along the highway can stimulate economic development. Access to previously isolated areas can attract new businesses, industries, and residential developments, leading to increased job opportunities and economic growth. And then on the flip side, the roads that people used to drive on before the highway come about, you know that all the business on those roadways, them in a problem, them are gonna shut down because they don't have the traffic anymore. They don't have the customers anymore. So yeah, both sides of the coin. Number 5. Enhance accessibility. The new highway can enhance accessibility to various regions, promoting tourism and trade. Improved connectivity can facilitate the movement of goods and services, benefiting local businesses and the broader economy. That kind of linked to what I said previously. Number 6. Environmental benefits. While this may depend on specific circumstances, a well-designed bypass can sometimes lead to environmental benefits. For example, it may reduce pollution and congestion in the city center, leading to improved air quality and a more pleasant urban environment. Number 7, quality of life. Residents in the city may experience an improved quality of life as traffic and associated noise and pollution will decrease. Additionally, the development of new lands can bring amenities such as parks, recreational areas, and improved infrastructure. Hopefully, that is a big capital. Hopefully, that will happen. Number 8, kind of linked to number 7, kind of add on, infrastructure upgrade. The construction of a new highway often involves modern infrastructure improvements, including bridges, tunnels, and advanced road systems. This not only improves transportation, but also contributes to the overall modernization of the region. Now, me, I look back, because all the highways them that I see, all the roads that kind of come off the highways, me never see no bad road, me never see no road with pothole. So I'm hoping that in all the areas that the highway is going to pass through and all the roads that are going to lead onto the highway or lead off to the highway, them are going to get fixed because God knows they need to be fixed. All right, so yeah, good look for that one. Number 9, emergency response. Bypass highways can facilitate faster emergency response times by providing a quick and direct route for emergency services. This can be crucial in situations where time is of the essence, such as medical emergencies or disaster response. When somebody in a way called it ambulance and them end up in a traffic, and even when them try to blow people them to come out of the way, they now want to come out of the way, and when they come out of the way, some people are follow back at the ambulance car. People do that in Jamaica, and I'm pretty sure they do it elsewhere. And the bad road are gonna make the drive kind of harder and slower. So yes, emergency response highway will help that. Number 10, long-term economic benefits. While the initial investment in constructing a new highway may be significant, the long-term economic benefits, including increased property values, job creation, and improved connectivity, can contribute to the overall economic prosperity of the region. Yay! I can give you a joke. I come up here so and I record the same thing, but I have the front facing camera facing me. I miss the recording. Alright, I'm gonna come back again and catch it. So like this. Yeah. See everything. Yeah. Big up here, so we have whole houses and so. I think I see one house still up that side. Yeah. So it's important to note that the actual benefits can vary based on the specific circumstances. planning and execution of the highway projects, careful consideration of environmental impact, community input, and sustainable development practices is crucial to maximize positive outcomes. Yay! You reached the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it. Hope you learned something. If you want to add anything to my list of 10, you can always do that in the comment section. And of course, if you have negatives that you'd like to add, you can also do that. Please be respectful in the comments. If not call people jackasses and all sorts of name and being racist in the comments and a bully. And I go like, you know, I beat up people over the phone, in the comment section, like, you know, bully. Try know that YouTube is going to block your comments, all right? Yeah, because, yeah, don't do that. I know you can disagree respectfully. Thank you anyways. Thank you for watching my beautiful video. I hope you enjoyed it. And don't forget, if you enjoy these types of videos, don't forget to leave a like, leave a comment, share, and subscribe. And remember, we meet every Sunday at 11 a.m. to add to the development series, and I do bonus videos within the week, and this of course is a bonus video. Anyways, bye. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.